Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing some headlight tint. I'll be using VVivid, the light smoke. I've also got some of the dark smoke that I can show you just so you can see the difference. I want light smoke because I still want to be able to use my headlights at night. I do plan to upgrade the bulbs. With the light smoke I shouldn't have any trouble driving at night. So let's go ahead and get started. So I watch CK Raps a lot, or at least I've been doing that, studying how to do this, so hopefully this will go off without a hitch. I tried to clean the headlights as best I could to get any of the haziness off of it. It's not perfect. I don't know if this will show up in the camera, but you can kind of see almost like an alligator skin look to it. And that is VVivid's air release technology, and that just allows air to get pushed out much easier. This is a dry application. There's a lot of wet application headlight tint. So it is fairly cool. It was probably about 45 degrees earlier. I do have a heat gun if this proves to be too challenging. One important thing was not to have fingerprints in the area where the actual headlight is. So here's the difference between the light smoke, which is here, and then the dark smoke, which is here. For my application, I want the light smoke, like I said, for nighttime driving, things like that. Both have the air release technology. Alright, so here I am done with both driver and passenger side. The second one only took half the time, which is usually the case when you're doing something for the first time. But I think I'm going to use the darker and do the emblem on this Equinox. Alright, I've already cut this piece. I need to clean it real quick. This should be fairly straightforward, easy. I'm still going to use heat just to get it on. nice and smooth. That's it. I'm pretty happy with it. Just a few minutes for the headlights. Nice emblem. We're good to go. So in the future, I plan to use VVivid gloss black. On the top here, you can see there's some paint chips. I just want to do the gloss black to give it that glass look. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm glad this turned out decent. Okay, here we are, the next day. Figuring I'd get some daylight shots. I think I'm going to redo the emblem in the light smoke. I think it just probably look a little better. But anyway, it seems to match the car pretty good, and I'm very happy.